Alright, so you've probably heard the term servo motor tossed around, especially if you're into robotics, RC cars, anything that moves with precision. But what actually is a servo motor, and why is it such a big deal? Let's break it down, step by step. At its core, a servo motor is a specialized motor designed to move to a specific position and hold it there. Think of it like the steering wheel in your car. Turn it to a certain angle, and it stays put until you move it again. Inside a typical servo motor, you'll find three main parts: DC motor, a set of gears, and a control circuit. Here's how they work together. First, the DC motor provides the actual spinning power, but on its own, it's just going to keep spinning in circles. That's where the gears come in. The gears slow down the motor's rotation but increase its torque. Basically, it trades speed for strength. But the real magic is in the control circuit. This part listens for signals, usually a pulse width modulation or PWM signal. That's just a fancy way of saying it gets little bursts of electricity that tell it exactly where to move. So, say you send a signal telling the servo to move to 90 degrees. The control circuit checks the current position using a built-in sensor, usually a potentiometer, and compares it to where you want it to go. If it's not in the right spot, it tells the motor to spin until it gets there. Once it hits the target, it stops and holds that position tightly, even if something tries to push it out of place. This feedback loop, checking, moving, checking again, is what makes servo motors so accurate. Now, where do you actually see these things in action? Everywhere. In RC planes, they control the flaps. In robots, they move arms. In robots, they move legs. In 3D printers, camera gimbals. There are different types too. Standard servos rotate about 180 degrees, perfect for steering or moving something back and forth. Continuous rotation servos can spin all the way around, acting more like a regular motor, but still with precise speed control. So why do I love servo motors? Because they're simple, reliable, and incredibly versatile. Whether you're building a robot, automating your home, or just tinkering, servo motors let you bring your ideas to life with pinpoint accuracy. That's the servo motor broken down step by step. Next time you see a robot arm moving smoothly, you'll know there's probably a servo motor making it happen. Thanks for watching, and keep building awesome stuff.